interviewing the world champion. And he's holding the careers. That's some of the interviews are going to take place in the Oscar show. And then, of course, we're going to show you our match star here tonight again. Comes Ashley, the holy psycho.
Shadows fall on yesterday, sometimes just slips away.
Nothing much to say here. The holy psycho is just what the nickname says. Be the sweetest person you ever made, or it's gonna be your worst nightmare. She debuted on Backlash episode that Battle Royal, where she was eventually eliminated by Kim Possible. She rented Kim Possible the chance to face Carmella Blaze and earned Ashley a spot on the pre-show. With having to face Rosa. Now this match has started. Rosa and Ashley both. And now they lock up. It's a tie. On knife edge by Ashley. Wait, pull back attack and a spine buster. Now Rosa with a forearm shot. Ashley reverses it. Now jumps on top of her, and now punches square in the face. Now on the top rope. No, wait a minute, she got caught. Oh, and a backbreaker. Powerful backbreaker at that. Knowing the power of Rosa. And oh, and look at this. The 3-point handstand, headstand headlock. Now what? Rosa in the corner. Oh, knee to the back. Oh, and a shot to the face. This is off. And a Hurricanrana. Takes her down. Now she's going up to the top rope. And then she gets thrown off. On a drop kick to the back. And a tilt-a-wall backbreaker. I meant backbreaker. If I said backbreaker, I meant backbreaker. I think I did say backbreaker by accident. Oh, and a high knee. She gets right back up and actually looks surprised by that. And she misses the Hurricanrana. Or kick, or whatever she was going for. And then Rosa counters again. Oh, one hand! One hand backbreaker. The spine buster. Whatever that was. And now, she's got a... Oh, she's got a steel chair, but no, she takes it off of her. Wait a minute. Now Rosa takes it off of her. Wait, but she caught it. And oh! Kick right in the face. Sends the chair in the face as well. Now what's she thinking? Now, kick. Oh, kick right to the back of the skull. Oh, look out, look out. Oh, man! Leg drop, reverse DDT, too. And no. And that's exactly what that was. Some people may call it the sunset split, but the real name of the maneuver is a leg drop, reverse DDT. That's the real leg drop DDT, not Riku's Dark Whisper. It's a leg drop bulldog. If you're looking for a leg drop DDT, that's a leg drop DDT. And oh, dropping her right in her face. Now, she's thinking she has the chair. And now, throws Ashley in the corner. Hangs her upside down. And she got the chair. And, oh, steel chair to the legs. And again, that may be it. Cover. 1, 2, and no, kick out. In the pre-show here. Oh, what a kick! That devastating kick that we've seen a lot of times. And no, another kick out. In a minute, she may have been going for that. Oh, she may have been going for that. The darkness awaits, but oh, and high knee. Another high knee takes her down. Face buster. Throws her in the corner. Now what? Sets her on the top rope. Now go for maybe a superplex. That's exactly what she's thinking. Superplex coming. Superplex. Oh, superplex on the chair. Now she sets the chair in the corner. Wait a minute, she pushes her over the top rope. And drop kicks her right off. And flies over the nose. She moved out of the way. And gets a knee drop. Oh my God. Just tossed her right over the steel stairs. Now she's got the steel stairs again and hits her with them. Then tosses him in the ring, but Rosa, now from behind, Irish whips her into the almost to the barricade. I meant into the apron. Oh, kick to the gut. Now, maybe DDT? Yes, it is. Dreamer DDT there. And now, oh, drop kick to the back, just like Ashley did to her earlier. Then, now what? Tosses her in the ring. There's more weapons in there. Of course she's gonna toss her in the ring. Now what? Now she's got a guitar. Now Ashley takes the guitar off of her. She sets it down. Oh, a high knee again.